Any video? Ladies and gentlemen, you may have a seat.
And your team for pulling off this press conference. Seeing all of you really come together and making this project work truly warms my heart, and I'm proud of you all of you.
These are the young people quietly making an impact. Some are building business that creates opportunities. Some are advancing science and innovation. Some are uplifting communities and driving social change. And some are championing sustainability, education, and humanitarian causes. They may not be always under the spotlight, but their contributions are real. Their leadership is meaningful, and their stories are deserved to be told. And this is what JCI Toym is all about. The JCI 10 Outstanding Young Malaysians is one of the most prestigious recognition platforms for young leaders under the age of 40 who are demonstrated excellence, leadership, and dedication to serving society. But Toym is more than just recognition. It is a platform that amplifies impact. It is a platform to celebrate leadership. And most importantly, it is a platform that inspires the next generation.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for joining us as a panelist today.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2,